Oh, got something. Up, came off. I think it was just a small chub. Yeah, I see them. There's at least 100 of them. Let's go up here to this deep bend and see what we can do. Well, somebody lost their tail light. Thought that may have came off a trailer or something. I could just cast. This thing absolutely has no weight to it. Just a little better. Oh, I got something. He's gonna get me tangled up. He already has. And he came loose. He came loose. Oh, that's a pretty fish. That's a pretty fish right there. And he didn't choke it. Come on, buddy. He's got a big mouth. I could probably lip him. Oh yeah. He's got some iridescent blue on him. Yep, there's another one. He came out of nowhere to get it. He's got some really pretty orange. The back of his dorsal fins and his tail. Wow. It's a really pretty fish. Go home, buddy. Hope this don't get too deep to cross. It's an awesome sandbar over there. I mean, an awesome sandbar. It's huge. You know, one thing, it's really deep right here, and I don't want to get too deep. If it would just stay this deep right here, but I'm thinking it goes up maybe waist deep. This Widowmaker here, don't want to swing on it, but it did come in handy. This is some sand right here. Look at all this sand. This is really a beautiful spot. Might be a good place to bring my metal detector. Could be some old coins piled up in here. Never can tell until you try. If I could just find one deep hole. Oh, they want to. I've seen a bass. This little brim got it. Wow. Sneaky freak. I actually think the bass was after the brim. Yep. Let's put you over here in the current and let's get some exercise. Ease on up. Hot. Got a big juicy night crawler on now. Let's see what we can do. Oh, I got something. Catfish. Yep. I kind of figured there'd be a little catfish up under that rock. Little flathead. There he is. Yep, go tell your friends. There's a man with a hook. Imagine if I can get it up under that rock. It's probably quite a few. Got something. Another catfish. Okay, something's hitting it. Got him. Looks like another cat. Yep, another flathead. Oh, is it getting smaller? Getting a little smaller. Come on, buddy. Just want one little picture of him. He's not going to give it to me. He don't know which way to go. He went between my feet. Got stuck. There he is. Bye-bye. Let him go and let him grow. Oh, he might be a little bigger. Putting up a little better fight anyway. Oh, how many is that now? 4? Lost count. You know, a lot of people like that size though for eating. I mean, they don't like the real big ones. This may be a little small, but not much. Sure, a clean looking fish and slippery. Wow, can't even hold on to one. If I can catch one more. So, one's hitting it for sure. Got him. I could sit here all day, I believe, and catch catfish. Same size, but really fun. There he is. Say hello. He said it. Alright. Let him go and let him grow. He's already hitting it. Got him. Not too sure this is a catfish, the way. Oh, it's just a small one. Wow, he's small. Very small. Got him. He's a little bit bigger. Or maybe he's just a better fighter. Oh yeah. Yep. About the same size. That's probably the biggest one so far. Hang on, buddy. I'm gonna let you go. Sure, a pretty fish. Very clean. Really clean fish. I gotta head back. Got a pretty decent walk back. I say one more, but I've got to catch him first. I think he's already on. Got him. There he is. Be still, buddy. You can say bye too. But I can't. There he is. You want to say bye? I'm signing off here. Say bye, buddy. Thanks for watching.